Well, if you're getting this error, Windows has replaced your AMD graphics driver and you have recently updated your Windows or automatically your Windows has been updated. But whenever you're trying to play games or you're trying to open your AMD graphics software, you're getting an error. It has been replaced by Windows Update. So we're going to fix it by only two simple steps, and let's go ahead and do that. So here you just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. Now once the device manager is opened, here we are looking for display adapters and I found it, display adapters right here. So I will click on that. For me, I'm using Intel graphics, but in your case you will have your AMD graphics driver. You just need to do a right click on that and click on properties. Now, once the properties is opened, we need to go to this driver section, this driver tab, and you will get an option to roll back driver. So if this rollback driver option is grayed out or active like me, you can simply click on that and follow the instructions which will be shown. And it is really very easy to roll back the driver. All right. But let's say if it is this rollback driver is grayed out. In that case, we need to install the AMD graphics driver from the manufacturer website. And I'll tell you the best way to do that. So open your favorite browser and type AMD graphics driver like that and hit enter. So once you hit enter, please make sure that you only visit the AMD website in which will be https www.amd.com. I'll tell you two ways to download that. Don't worry. So here we have the first option is the auto detect and install driver updates for AMD Radeon services. You can do the, auto detect thing. Else, if you know your graphics card, you can simply go ahead and open your device manager, check what exactly the graphics driver you're using, and select the graphics, and then select your graphics driver like that. All right. So in that case, so if you have found it, you just need to select your graphics driver, submit it, and you will get the download of your graphics. And you can download for Windows 10 and Windows 11 as well. So if you do not know which version of Windows you're using, you can simply type on the search icon system information and you will find system information like that. And from here, you will find system type x64. All right. So you can also do that. And if you do not know if you're unable to search, you can take the bet on 64-bit because most of the computers are actually 64-bit. So once you download it, just restart the computer, and I'm sure that Windows has replaced your AMD graphics driver. Error will be fixed, and if yes, please hit the like and please leave a comment if you have successfully done that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.